How's it going? I'm working tonight. Working on this Chevy Nova 78 Custom. This is a rubber filler panel. I can't find it anywhere to buy. There's another piece. These are rubber. They're rotten. There's holes in them. This one had a very large hole in it. Working on filling it in with some Bondo glass. Still got a hole here. Gotta clean it up. Go over with a DA. Shape it. Over here. Put tape on the back side of it. See how that works. I'll probably put a coat on the back side as well. It'll probably take a couple tries to get it all right. All of it's just about rotted out. So I'm gonna go over this with some Bondo glass. All these little pieces. That's gonna be hard to shape. It's gonna take some time. Yeah, thought I'd show you what I'm working on in the shop. I'm gonna turn my AC back on, get back to work. Peace out.